If there's a day trip that's worth visiting during your stay in Tokyo, it is Kamakura. Kamakura is a seaside town located in Kanagawa Prefecture. It is a 1-hour trip from Tokyo and my favorite place to visit while I stayed in Tokyo. The beach is what makes this city beautiful, and of course the Enoden. I love the train so much. The last time I visited Kamakura was actually 2 years ago, and it has been on my mind ever since. And this time, I plan to visit a place that I haven't visited before, which is Enoshima, a small island in Kamakura. And here's how it went. I went to Kamakura very early in the morning to enjoy the time there as much as possible. My first stop was Kamakura Kokomae Station, the famous station from Slam Dunk, which has now become a famous tourist spot. And it's quite problematic because it was so crowded, and locals are quite annoyed by the tourist behavior sometimes. I just wanted to take my friends there. It's so nostalgic just to take the Enoden, especially when it's approaching the Kamakura Kokomae station. You are blessed by the beautiful view of the sea. Here, I loaded my first roll, which was Velvia 50, but you know what? I'm so stupid because the entire time I rated the film at 100 ISO. So the result was so bad. It was underexposed and unusable. I'm not going to bother showing it to you all the result. There's something about this place that feels special to me. I don't know. It's got a nostalgic feel to it. It feels like a place that I belong, and makes me want to come back there again. And my friends also agree with me. They love this place so much, and I was happy that they enjoyed their time there. I was waiting a little bit farther back because near the train crossing, it was already crowded. And while I wait for the Enoden to pass by, I met a new friend, a fellow photographer, and we talked quite a bit about our trip in Japan, and of course camera in general, like any photographer would do. It sucks the photo didn't turn out, even though I waited 3 times for the train to pass. Then, we got down on the beach. It was quite a scene. People watching, observing what they did. Then, we walked quite a bit to head straight to Enoshima and find something to eat first. We picked a restaurant randomly and I ordered a tuna katsu rice. To my surprise, the portion was so big and it was quite delicious. After that, I loaded my Kodak Color Plus as my second film. I quite like the result. In Enoshima, I wanted to visit the beach near the Enoshima Iwaya cave, but to get there, I had to climb quite a lot of stairs. But I knew the view would be rewarding, so I went ahead. The cliff really reminds me of Uluwatu in Bali. It was quite a scene. Color Plus is my favorite consumer film from Kodak. I tend to rate this film at 100 ISO to give the overexposed look. And so far, the photo looks really good. Finally, I arrived at the beach. It was a 20-minute walk. A falcon is flying around above me, and I think I got a perfect shot of it. And I love this photo. It was kinda mysterious, I don't know. The man was gazing out to the horizon. It was quite nice. And this one is probably my favorite photo. I really like the blue color of the sea and two big rocks that were hit by the waves. Kinda poetic in my opinion. Looking at the people who enjoy the beach is somewhat relaxing, so I took my time, carefully finding some precious moments in between. And I got one. I think it's my best photo of the day. It was a beautiful shot. After that, I went back to Kamakura to explore more of the place. I loaded my next film, which was Kodak Vision 200D.
Kayak banyak makanan di sini.
The next station is Nagasaki EM10.
There is one place that I wanted to visit. It is a small station called Gokurakuji. This is the station that appeared in one of Hirokazu Koreeda's film, Our Little Sister. Of course, I had to take photos of it. I love this film so much. A pretty film about family and mainly set in Kamakura actually. Then, on our last stop, we went to a beach for one last time. This time, I loaded Kodak Ektachrome. This is exactly what I needed to end the day. Sitting at the beach, enjoying the scenery. I remember it very well and definitely one of my core memories in Japan. I always love Kamakura, and seeing random places that turn out to be beautiful really warms my heart. Definitely a place that I will always come back to.